Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to delete email account in Outlook Mobile. So let's get started. So if you want to delete your email account in your Outlook Mobile, so to do that what you have to do is first of all open up your Outlook in your device, and after opening Outlook now you have to tap on the profile icon which is on the top left corner of your screen. After tapping on the profile icon, just tap on the gear icon which is on the bottom left and then scroll down. After scrolling down inside general, you should find accounts. Just tap on accounts and then select an account that you want to remove. After selecting that account, now what you can do is just simply tap on remove account which is on the bottom and then select the first option which is remove from this device and then tap on remove. And after doing that, here you can see guys, you have successfully removed the account from Outlook. So that's it guys, this is how to delete email account in Outlook Mobile. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.